Hey guys, how's it going? How to link PayPal to multiple devices. So install the PayPal app on each device, available on iOS and Android. You can go ahead to your App Store or Google Play and then just go ahead to the search at the bottom right, tap PayPal, right? And then open each device and log in using your PayPal credentials, email and password. Optional but recommended, go to the settings to enhance security across devices, and then ensure you're using the same PayPal account on each device to maintain access to your transactions and balances. And by logging in on multiple devices, you can access your PayPal account from anywhere. So that's all the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.